Good morning, friends. This is Narayanan once again from the Yathvam farm, Kattiyamandal village in Kanjipuram district, near the famous Vedandangal bird sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. I have been giving updates about the various development work that has been undertaken by us in our permaculture farm, which is under development actually. The farm is not fully ready. I want to give you an interesting update on the innovative practice of using local waste materials to enrich the soil in our farm. Before that, I wanted to show you the raised bed. So you can see the raised bed is doing well, and we have put a lot of flowering saplings across the east-west direction, and we have mulched it with paper and paddy straw to prevent weeds. So the bed has come out well, quite satisfactory. So we need to improve on such raised beds in future. We have to learn from few mistakes that we have made, and also to become more efficient in raising the beds and other activities. I wish to tell you that it is said that in India and other countries, more than 50%, in some cases even 60 to 70% of food, especially the perishable food like fruits and vegetables, get wasted before the food reaches the plate of the consumer. We spend so much of energy, free subsidized fertilizer, subsidized power, subsidized water, subsidized diesel transportation, so much of effort from the farm, from the farmer to the transporter to the wholesaler to the middleman to the table, to the refrigerator of the consumer. So much of effort and energy is spent in raising and bringing the fruits and vegetables to the consumer. But in that process, because of lack of storage facilities, due to the weather conditions, due to both the natural as well as man-made factors, so much of this food gets wasted, and they either find the dump yard where it's mixed with all type of waste, including plastics and all that, and dumped mindlessly. Now of late there is sufficient awareness about recycling efforts, about composting the waste which reaches the municipal waste, and the waste and the wholesale fruit and vegetable market, etc., and all that. From our side, what we do is that we have fruit vendors near our village in the main town, which is just about 4 or 5 kilometers from here. So once in 2 days we go to the fruit vendor and collect all the perishable fruits. You can see here we have grapes, we have banana, we have chico, this fruit. Then we have a lot of pineapples every day coming, sometimes apples, all these are coming. அவ்வளோ வேகம் அவ்வளோ இது பண்ண வேணாமா, ஓரளவு நசிக்கிட்டு போகிறோம், அதுவே கம்போஸ்ட் ஆகிடும். So we collect all this fruit waste once in 2 days. Then we put it in our 200 liter or 300 liter buckets. And then we also have flour mills nearby where they mill grains and pulses. So once in a week we get a sack load of the wasted pulse flour, which are all spilled. So we collect all the flour from the mill. Pulses are a good source of protein, and then grains are also the mixture of grain flour and pulse flour is a healthy cocktail for enriching the soil. It feeds the microbes very well. So we, in this type of drum, we put all this flour waste, and we put all the fruit waste, and then put cow dung and cow urine. and then add water and mix it, and cover it to prevent insects and fly from laying eggs and all that. So in that regard, by doing this, we are able to ferment all the fruits within few days. Within about 5 days, the entire load, batch of fruits and flour get fermented because of the mixture with cow dung slurry. So the food for the microbes is ready within a week. Then we mix it with manure. Here we have sheep manure, which is already well composted. So what we have done is, we have taken the previous batch of fruit and flour fermented material. We had mixed it with the sheep manure. Now this gets completely enriched. Along with that, we also put VAM, Azospirillum, phosphobacteria, and other biological fertilizers. So this soil, this compost, this becomes very much enriched, high quality. Now even small amount of this compost gives a great shot to the plants, and they can when we are giving to the nursery and all that, the growth of the nursery will be, the plants, the saplings will be very fast and healthy, thereby protecting them from diseases and other pest attacks. So this is what we are doing. So locally available wasted bio waste, like flowers, like fruits and vegetable waste. Then from the mill we take the wasted flour which is spilled on the ground. So all this we augment, enrich them, and then make use of them. So this is the practice that we have started in a week's time, and wherever we have laid tanks, every week we are able to prepare about 3 or 4 batches like this. So if we continue this for months together, then there is no need for us to bring any other external fertilizers. Even the need for cow dung or sheep manure will be limited, because we are adding lot of these high quality bio waste. So what happens by doing this is that we are able to we are able to exchange quality for quantity. Even otherwise we are able to get, in a month's time, I think if we can easily generate about 1 ton of fruit waste from the fruit vendor. So 1 ton of fruit waste every month, or 12 tons a year in our farm is a great way to improve the quality of soil, which will be sufficient for whatever vegetables and fruit trees and all that will be planting. We don't have to depend on anything else other than this. So this is the innovative practice that we have started. So I thought I should give you an update on this. Friends, please give me your feedback, and if you have any valuable suggestions, you can tell us. Thank you. Bye bye.